Rearrange. The word rearrange is a verb that means to change the order or position of something. When we rearrange something, we move its parts around to create a new arrangement. This word is commonly used when talking about organizing objects, ideas, or even events in a different way. Here are a few examples to illustrate the usage of rearrange. 1. Furniture. If you want to give your living room a fresh look, you might decide to rearrange the furniture. This could involve moving the sofa to a different wall, switching the positions of the coffee table and the armchair, or even reorganizing the entire room layout. 2. Sentences. In English, we often need to rearrange the order of words to form grammatically correct sentences. For example, the sentence, "I love pizza," can be rearranged to say, "Pizza, I love." Although the meaning remains the same, the word order changes. 3. Events. When planning a schedule or a calendar, we may need to rearrange events or appointments. For instance, if a meeting is rescheduled, we need to rearrange our plans accordingly to fit in the new time or date. 4. Jumbled words. Sometimes, we come across jumbled words or anagrams that need to be rearranged to form a meaningful word. For instance, the letters TSA can be rearranged to form the word sat, or care can be rearranged to form race. Overall, the word rearrange is used when we want to change the order or position of something to create a new arrangement. It can be applied to various contexts, such as furniture, sentences, events, or even jumbled words.